This video for Pondicherry University 4th semester MBA students can use. So in MBA Pondicherry University 4th semester, this project work is compulsory for all major. For example, all MBA students need to do this project even if they are doing MBA HRM or MBA Marketing or MBA Finance, whatever may be their project. They have to complete this project work in the 4th semester. So many people are calling and asking, in groups also they are asking, so how to do this project work, sir? Reason, you people are doing this MBA course in distance education, but in twinning program there is a chance of giving guidelines about this project work in the class. Reason, they are having regular classes in Sundays. For this distance education people, it is quite difficult to find where to get the guidance like that. So that is the reason I am giving this video. But already this project related videos are available in our channel. More than 7 videos I have given chapter wise. So that is elaborate thing. If you want, you can go through that thing. So I can give you the link in this video. If you want, you can use those videos also. But in this video I am going to give quick information or quick guidelines for doing project in the 4th semester. So many people are asking simple questions, so that is the reason I am giving this quick guidelines. Project work. So in this video I am going to give you the simple tips how to prepare a project report. So first let us start with this proforma, what we need to follow. This given by Pondicherry University Distance Education. So in your project, these are all the pages you should or you must add in the front. So those things I am going to show here. First page is title sheet. Title sheet includes the project title, student name, student enrollment number, guide detail, everything. So that format also I am showing in this video. You can follow those things. This is the first sheet you need to keep in your project. So next thing is certificate from the guide. So who is going to guide your project? Those detail. This format also given by the university. Those thing only I am showing in this video. You please go through this thing. This certificate from the guide should be like this. Next, declaration by the student. This is the 3rd page. This also the format was given by the university. I am showing here. You please follow this thing. Next, acknowledgement. So here we are thanking whom are all we are getting the support or who are all supported us. So those things we are giving. This is acknowledgement. Next, executive summary about the project in brief. Next, table of content. Table of content means in your project what are the chapters we are using and those details, that is index, like that you are showing here. This is table of content. Next, list of table. In your project you will use lot of tables, so those table page numbers you will show here. Next, table of chart also we can give, list of charts, like that also we can give one page. So these are all the front pages it should include in your project report. So next, after this front pages your project will start. So in that project what are the content you need to include? So university also given some guidelines. I am giving also some chapters. So these are all the chapters you should or you must include in your project. So first chapter is introduction. Introduction means introduction about your project, that is your title, what you are selecting. For example, if you are selecting if you are MBA marketing student, means your title is like this, consumer satisfaction, like that. If you are taking the title means you need to give introduction about this consumer satisfaction, like that. Introduction about your company, what the company you are selecting, those things you need to add in this chapter. Next, review of literature. This is the 2nd chapter. In this chapter you need to give. So already many people have done this project. For example, if you are selecting this HR topic, means in HR you can take a topic like this, stress management. So many people have done this stress management project in many universities. So you need to check those project reports. You can search in the internet also. Like that you can go through those details and you can pick some points over there and you need to consolidate those things. That is called review of literature. Next, objectives of the study. What the purpose of doing this project? So what you are going to find in this report, like that. So you need to give some 5 to 7 objectives. So what is the findings you are going to do with the help of this project? Like that you need to give some few points. Those things I can give you everything. After this thing I can give you the entire project report. Next thing, research methodology. In the research methodology chapter, you need to give all the methodology. Methodology includes how many samples you are going to collect, where you are going to collect, by which mode you are going to collect the data, and how you are going to analyze this data, and how you are going to interpret this data. Like that, the entire project is going to do on what basis and what are all the tools you are going to use. Those things you need to add in the research methodology. Everything I can give you after completing this video. I can give you that full report. You can go through that thing. Next chapter is data analysis and interpretation. This is the 5th chapter you must add in your project. This is the very big chapter. Reason, in this chapter only you will analyze your data. For example, you go through nearly some 100 employees in a concern. Means after collecting data from this 100 employees, you need to interpret or you need to analyze this data, whether they are satisfied with that company, what the title you are taking. No, based on that you will prepare the questionnaire and you will collect the data. For collecting those data, you need to analyze whether they are satisfied or not. You need to find out. No, so many people will answer in different way. So you need to consolidate those data and you need to analyze and you need to present everything and you need to interpret everything in this thing. So here for this chapter also I am showing in the next. After this thing you can see those chapters, how I am presenting this data analysis and interpretation in the project report. Next, finding. This is the end chapter, like that we can say. Reason, after concluding everything, you started your project, you have collected the data, you analyzed the data, and based on the analyzed thing you have found something. No, in this company the employees are satisfied. Like that you will come to conclude. No, so those things, what are the findings you found in that report, those things you need to consolidate in the findings chapter. Next thing is recommendation. If you want to recommend anything to that company, you can recommend. That means the employees are needed this kind of help, or employees are needed this kind of welfare measures. Like that you can give some recommendation to the company. And limitations. What are the limitations you faced? This is the next chapter. What are the limitations you faced while doing this project? Those things you can add in these pages. And finally, conclusion. So in this way, I am rushing up. In this way, you need to present your project report like few chapters. So if you want to clear detail about each and every chapter, means once again I am repeating, I am having separate video for every chapters in the playlist. In the playlist of this, in our channel, project playlist is there. You can go through chapter by chapter videos. So these are all the content of the project report. Okay. Next, what the guidelines the university has given. No, how to do this project. Like that they have given some guidelines also. So you people also will get some doubt how to do the project, sir. So with the help of the project guide, you need to proceed your project. It is must, it is mandatory. You need to get the signature from the guide and you need to get the help from the guide. Example, you people are new to this thing and while you are doing this project, it is must you need to get the help of the guides. Who can be the guide for your project? So those things also they have given in the project guidelines. What the thing given by the university is, the guide must be a postgraduate degree holder with doctorate degree or without doctorate degree. But my humble request, you try to pick a person who is completed doctorate degree. These things carry or this thing evaluate your project. So whom is going to guide for you, those thing also gives you or gives you more mark for your project. So or you can select people from industry side also. That thing also they have given this option. You can select people from the bank sector or financial institutions or even from HR manager. Like that you can pick person from industry side also. So it is your option. So it is must to have guide. That guide can be a academician or you can from industry sector also. So these are all the guide selecting procedure they have given, the university has given. Next, how the project should be prepared. So here also they are given some guidelines. First, you know that you are MBA, that for example you are from supply chain management, or you are from MBA HRM, or you are from MBA finance, or you are from MBA marketing. Means in your field you need to select the topic. For example, if you are belongs to financial, that is MBA finance, means then finance topic you need to take. Then many people will ask me, so what is the finance topics are, like that they will ask. In third and fourth semester you are studying lot of papers. Each semester 5 papers, elective papers you people are studying. In that elective papers you can find the topics. For example, you are studying working capital management in third semester. So you can take working capital management or capital structure. These are all the few topics in finance. Or if you are HR student, MBA human resource management, means you can take a topic like this, conflict management. Sir, knowledge management. One paper is there for you, knowledge management. Or work-life balance. Or employee satisfaction. Like that. So it is your wish, and with the help of the guide and with the help of your guide recommendation you can take the topic. So after selecting this topic you need to select a company. So in which company you are going to do this project. So you need to get the permission from that HR manager, or some projects you can do on your own with the help of this internet. You will get data from the internet. Based on that also you can proceed. Reason, here in our Pondicherry University distance education we no need to get the certificate from the company. So that is the reason you can do on freelance also. So it is your wish. So you need to select a company. In that company, in which topic you are going to do based on your MBA, you need to select the topic. Based on that you have to proceed the project report. What the content I have given. After selecting this title and company and the guide, you need to follow that table of content what I have given. Chapter 1 introduction, chapter 2 review of literature. Like that you need to collect data and you need to fill the page. So this is the quick and rush information or guidelines for doing the project in MBA final semester. So if you are going like this, means definitely you can do the project on your own. Once again I am repeating, if you want again elaborate information about this project chapter by chapter you needed, means you please go through what the things I have given. I have already given few videos chapter by chapter. You can go through these things. So this is the simple method of doing project work. You can follow those things. So in the final semester, fourth semester, MBA all major, that's all question paper book is also ready. This is also many people are asking, sir, whether you updated. Yes, I updated and everything is ready. If you want, you can collect that also.